Hi there, it's Laura here from iHeart Planners, and I'm going to tell you how to stay motivated, organized, and productive. And let me tell you, the last one I think is really going to surprise you. Before we jump into the motivation secrets, be sure you've taken a minute, if you haven't already, to subscribe, turn on notifications, and click the like button. When it comes to staying motivated and productive, one of the most helpful things you can do may seem really small, but it makes a big difference. And that is start out each day by putting on nice clothing, maybe fixing your hair, put on a little bit of makeup, definitely put on shoes, and you're ready to go. And I know it seems minor, but when you feel put together, it helps get you in the mindset of productivity. And if you've made it partway through the day and you're still in loungewear, go ahead and take a few minutes to put on nicer clothing and see what a difference that can make. Next, if you want to stay motivated and productive, make sure that you keep your spaces tidy. There's nothing more demotivating and depressing than a space that's just covered in stuff everywhere, that you're just staring at the pile of work and mess that you have to tackle. But when you walk into a space that is nice and fresh and clean, it gives you so much more energy and motivation. Not only that, but I think it actually saves you time in the long run, because it's easier to keep something tidy by keeping up with it rather than letting it get really bad and then tackling it. So you're kind of killing two birds with one stone there. Getting things done actually has a really positive domino effect. So as you complete one thing, that kind of spills over into the next thing and the next thing, and you'll find yourself getting more and more motivated. So if you're struggling with that, if you get one thing done, and I highly suggest starting with the thing that is most dreaded and most difficult, that'll give you the most momentum. You'll feel this sense of relief that you got it done and you're ready to go and you can tackle anything. And also, to stay motivated and productive, you need to develop good, consistent habits. And by habits, I mean things that you do automatically without really thinking about it. If you have to get up every morning and have a discussion with yourself about whether or not you're going to make your bed today, like, oh, does it really matter? I'm just going to get in it tonight. I'm not sure if I have time. That takes a lot of mental energy, and it hasn't become a habit for you. Versus if it's something that you have done every day for a long time, you just get up, you start making your bed, you don't even think about it, and it doesn't require mental energy. So those highly productive people, they have habits. And if you want to dive a little bit deeper into how you can actually go about creating habits that last, I highly recommend checking out my Domino Effect course, which is where I go into all about how to do that. Something else that helps me tremendously with staying motivated is to actually post a chart or a checklist with the things that I'm working on and actually going through the process of checking those off every single day, whether it's in my planner or something I've hung up. I would go as far as to actually hang it up where you can see it if you're really struggling with it. So say I'm going to be focusing on this and I get to check it off every single day. And there's something about making a chain of check marks that's really inspiring and motivating. And even if you're focusing on one particular area and what you're tracking, it usually spills into other areas, because by seeing all those check marks, you start to just feel more productive and motivated. One more thing that you can do to really help you get motivated is to connect with your deeper why. So this is where we make sure that the things we're working on are really, truly what's most important to us. And if there's something that's really hard for you, go ahead and write down why you want to do it, why it's important to you. Visualize, if you do this thing, what your life is going to look like in a year or two, and really think it through and write it down. And then if you're struggling, read through that and get yourself back to that place you were at when you made the goal or the decision to do that. And then my last piece of advice, and this is the one that might surprise you a little bit, but I'm telling you this because it's something that I need to hear myself and because I know it's so true. So here it is. If you've tried all these different motivation tips and you're just still not really feeling motivated, you don't actually need motivation. You can get it done whether you feel motivated or not. Now, I know that might not seem fun, and you might even be questioning me right now, but think about it. I bet you brush your teeth every single day, whether you feel like it or not. Most of us, if we've made an appointment with someone, like say a doctor's appointment, or we're gonna meet up with a friend, even if we don't feel like it, we show up anyway. And to take it a step further, I really feel like a lot of us, myself included, we would never break the promises or commitments that we've made to other people. But we feel okay breaking promises to ourselves all the time. So if I made an appointment with a personal trainer at the gym, I'm gonna show up. I paid for it. They're expecting me. If I said I was gonna meet a friend, I'm gonna show up. But if I just told myself or promised myself that I would go to the gym, and I'm not really feeling like it, I might start to talk myself out of it. So realize that when all else fails, you don't actually have to feel motivated to do it. And I'm willing to bet 95% of the time, once you start doing it, that motivation will come afterward. So I really hope these tips have helped you get some motivation to be more productive and organized in your everyday life. Go ahead and let us know in the comments which of these tips that you're going to try, and be sure, if you haven't already done so, to hit subscribe. Hey there, it's Laura here from iHeart Planners, and today, I don't want to say today.
And today, I do not want to say today.
Okay. Ideally, you would do this every single moment, every single... I really was trying to say morning. It just didn't come out. Okay, one more time. All right, we can do this.